In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your AMD Radeon software is not opening either in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So whether you're getting some kind of error message or it's just not opening in general, then there's 3 different ways that we can fix this. So first thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Task Manager and then click on the Task Manager window. From the search box right at the top, you just need to search for AMD and then we're going to right click on this AMD software and select End Task. Once you've completely shut down the process, we can then close out of this window, head over to the Start menu and search for Run and then click on the Run icon. In the search box, type in %, local app data, %, and hit enter. Double click on the AMD folder and right at the top you'll see this folder labeled at CN. So all you need to do is right click on this like so and select the trash icon. Now don't worry about deleting this as there's no important files inside of here. Once you've deleted this folder, you'll need to head over to your Start menu, search for AMD and then right click on the AMD software and select Run as Administrator. Now if that doesn't work for you and you have the Epic Games launcher installed on your computer, this can be another reason why AMD is not opening. So in order to fix this, head down to your taskbar at the bottom and just make sure you're currently not running the Epic Games launcher. Then head over to your Start menu and come back over to Task Manager. And in the search box, just type in Epic Games and make sure you've shut down any processes relating to the Epic game. Then we can close out of this window, head back over to the Start menu and search for Run. Once again, type %, local app data, %, and hit enter. Then you need to scroll down and come over to this Epic Games Launcher folder and double click on this. Then head inside of the saved folder. And if you see a file in here called logs, then all you simply need to do is rename this file to something else. It doesn't matter what you rename it to, just make sure you rename it to something different. Then once you've saved these changes and renamed your file, you can once again try launching up AMD and that should have now solved the issue. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.